Hey there, gamers! Today we're talking about one of the most epic gaming monitors I've ever had the chance to get my hands on, the LG Ultragear 39GX900A-B 39. This beast of a monitor has taken my gaming sessions to a whole new level, and I'm excited to share its incredible features with you. First off, let's talk about the display itself. This is where things really get exciting for gamers like us. The 39-inch WQHD OLED panel boasts an insane 800R curve that wraps around your screen, pulling you into the action like nothing else can. But what does that mean in real-life terms? It means that if you're playing a game with lots of fast-paced action, like Overwatch or League of Legends, the curved design will make you feel more immersed in the game. You'll be able to see your enemies coming from the sides, and react faster because of it. But what's even crazier is the monitor's response time. With 240 Hz refresh rate and a blisteringly fast 0.03 milliseconds (GTG) response time, you can expect silky smooth gameplay with virtually zero lag or ghosting. Think about it, with a typical monitor, if you're playing a game that requires quick reflexes like a FPS game, you'll see your enemies blink in and out of existence as they move around the screen. Not on this baby. The LG Ultragear's response time makes everything feel lightning fast and responsive. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the graphics quality? Well, let me tell you, this monitor delivers big time. With up to 1300 nit peak brightness, that means it can get really, really bright, and an astonishing 98.5% DCI-P3 color gamut. Think, more vivid colors than your average monitor. Every scene pops with incredible detail. It's like watching a movie on the big screen, minus the giant size, of course. But graphics aren't everything when it comes to gaming monitors. You also want features that make your life easier and more enjoyable while playing. That's where LG's ultimate FreeSync technology comes in. This magic happens with AMD FreeSync Premium, think, automatic adjustment for a smooth experience across different hardware, and GSYNC compatibility, which means it works seamlessly with high-end gaming PCs. No more tearing, no more stuttering, just pure, uninterrupted action. Another feature that sets this monitor apart is its brightness level. I know some of you might be sitting in dark rooms or playing games late at night. That's where the LG Ultragear shines with its display HDR True Black 400 panel, which delivers deeper blacks and more vivid colors than ever before. It's like having a personal movie theater in your home. Now, let's talk about the monitor itself. The build quality is top-notch. The ergonomic stand allows for virtually limitless height and tilt adjustments. I'm talking up to 170 degrees of tilt, so you can get into position just right for those long gaming sessions. And with RGB hexagonal backlighting that matches your setup, it's like having a mini light show on your desk. But don't worry about maintenance, LG has got you covered. The monitor comes with an incredible 2-year limited warranty and panel care tools. Think, pixel cleaning software to keep your display in top shape. It's built to last, so you can play for hours without worrying about it breaking down on you. Last but not least, let's talk about connectivity. With HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB Type-C with up to 65W power delivery, that means you can charge your console or laptop while gaming. This monitor has got everything you need for serious gaming sessions. In short, the LG Ultragear 39GX900A-B 39 is a total powerhouse of a gaming monitor that's going to take your gaming experience to new heights. With its incredible features, responsive display, and top-notch build quality, I highly recommend giving this baby a try. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below to get the best price on this amazing monitor. End of script.